good afternoon. Joining with us today is Ma'am Esther Grace. She is currently in London and I'd like you to know what was her success story about her NCLEX. So Ma'am Esther, can you please introduce a little background about yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Grace Patigan. I'm originally from Cardiff City, Negros Occidental, who is currently working in Newcastle, UK as a registered nurse in the anesthetics department.
What department are you working at, Ma'am Esther?
Anesthetics.
Anesthetics.
We're doing like airway management, intubating patients, like more of the perioperative journey of the patient. So we're intubating and extubating them during the operation.
Ma'am Esther, since you're already there in the UK for quite a long time already, what was your motivation when you were still planning to sit for the NCLEX?
So basically, it was like an abrupt decision to take the NCLEX.
Abrupt
Uh,
decision.
yes, like because before I was just so I'm still enjoying it now. Like to be here in the UK, but as time passes by, you just need to make a decision to have like a contingency plan, like
Mm-hmm.
to decide if worst comes to worst, at least you've got like a backup plan.
Mm-hmm.
So I took the NCLEX, and then some of my friends were like telling me, "Oh, you should take the NCLEX," and then they passed theirs. And I was like, "Oh, I need to. Ayoko mapag-iwanan." So I think I need to take the exam. And then my aunt as well, who's in the US, was like trying to convince me even before I went to the UK that, "Oh, you should take your NCLEX now." But then I just let it go. Kasi nga, sa UK kasi travel goals with here, mga Europe na destinations, mas madali na pagpunta dito. But I was just so motivated because I was planning to like settle down and get married and have kids. I guess I'll just do everything before I get married. Career plan.
Tama din. Kasi siguro it would be better for like family life to be in the USA compared with UK. Kasi yun din na naging decision mo. So somehow partly like pressure ng friends din kasi nakikita mo na,
Yes.
oh, they're already passing the NCLEX.
Oh. And then one of my friends as well was like telling, "Oh, if you're abroad, you should try IPASS because they're gonna process your papers from the Philippines." And then like it's hassle free, but then when I tried it, it was proven a hassle free talaga. So thank you very much.
Thank you for that positive feedback as well, Ma'am Esther, that everything went well during your application process. So, on your preparation for the NCLEX exam, so how did you prepare? Knowing that you are currently working, of course, you're quite busy with your schedule. Definitely, you have a hectic schedule.
So it was really an exhausting and challenging during my study days kasi nga, I'm working full time and then
Mhm.
I'm doing an online business as well and I'm studying at the same time. So I'm juggling all of them together. My shifts are usually like flexible. So like example, 8 to 6, 9 to 10, depending on what they're gonna give me. But what I tend to do, kasi nga, like example, nakakapagod na from work, I tend to wake up early, like 4 o'clock a.m. That's the usual routine. I study at least 6 times a week. So Sunday yung rest day if I'm not working on Sunday. But I try to study and work. Tapos yung off ko from work, off ko na din study. So parang ganyan pa. Basta approximately 6 days a week. So I wake up 4 a.m. If my work starts at 8, I study at least an hour. So an hour and a half. Minsan kasi napapagod sa 5 a.m. So 1 hour or 1 to 2 hours. And then after work, 6 p.m., I tend to study after like 9 to 10 or 11. So that's the usual routine. And then,
It's dedication, right?
it's really hard, but nakukonsensya din kasi ako, like example, after work, I think I'm really tired na to study, but so I need to because I need to pass this exam. So I just try to motivate myself every single time na, no, even though I'm tired, kailangan ko mag-aral kahit na an hour lang. So yun, parang makakapagod, but it's worth it in the end.
Kailangan lang din talaga ng commitment during this time kasi like in your case, you are working yet you are waking up very early at 5 a.m. And then even after the work pack, you are still dedicating some time like part of your preparation. So kailangan din talaga ng commitment. It's
That's true.
during the preparation, Ma'am Esther, ano yung mga problems mo na na-encounter mo during that time? Like aside
So,
from the busy schedule.
aside from that, I think I just get so frustrated
Mhm.
Kasi nga, every time I study and then I'm tired pa, so dun ko na lang na-realize after ba nung when I did like a reflection myself. I get so frustrated kasi hindi siya nare-review. Like,
Mhm.
because I'm always like, I love to read. Like, I really love to read. Kahit hindi pa non-fiction ng mga books ikinabasa. But during that time, why is it not reviewed? Despite me trying hard to study it. And then, it's as if pagdaanan ko naman ko dati kasi nag-binasa nag-NLE pa and all. Tapos nag-hostess ako, nag-licensure pa dito. So, ayun ang foundation ko na retaining or bakit hindi ko maalala pagka kinabukasan. So, that's one of the challenge. Also, in the relationship din. Kasi yung sa fiancé ko, kasi siya yung parang nag-displace ko yung frustration ko sa kanya ba. So, parang siya yung good thing he's so patient and understanding during those times kasi nga parang, hala, bakit siya yung napapagalitan ko? Even though there's no reason, parang lahat ng stress ko sa kanya ko na nababaling. So, ganyan. And then, sa work, like example, gusto kong mag-aral talaga during my break. But since hindi mo naman alam kung kailan magigising yung pasyente from the anesthetic or ganyan, so nakakat yung break nyo. So while you're studying, parang napuputol kasi nga tinawag ka na anesthetist na, oy, tapos na yung case natin and all that. So, yung nabasa mo, hindi pa din nagsisink in kasi nga, ay, kailangan ko na magmadali. So, ganyan, juggling talaga with work and studying. So far, yun lang naman.
How many months ka nag-prepare for your NCLEX, Ma'am Esther?
Nag-start ako atang mag-inquire sa inyo mga March or something, ganyan. Tapos you always advise me, di ba na, oh, even though you're still processing your papers, you need to study na. Ganyan. So sabi ko, ay, sige, kailangan ko mag-study. I'm still, like, una ko talagang biniling libro is, kasi nga, I'm not so used with yung mga soft copy sa internet. Di ba marami kayong ganon. So I was like saying, I need to buy a hard copy na book kasi hindi ako makaka-focus talaga if I'm just studying like online or ganyan. Binili ko yung Thunder. So, mga March yun. Pero, napapagod ka pa, parang wala pang stress, wala pang pressure ba? Kasi nga, ay, matagal pa yung papers, ganyan-ganyan. So, hintayin na muna natin. So, I was just scanning and reading it, but not like into it pa. So, mga March. That was March, mga 6 months starting.
That's good preparation. So, apart from Saunders, ano yung other materials na ginamit mo, Ma'am Esther?
So, I use Thunders. I'm the type of person kasi na if I see something, I buy it. Or if someone's gonna recommend it, I'll get it. So, yun, parang ang dami na. So, from your Facebook page, I printed most of them. And then, Thunder, La Charity, ng prioritization. Remar na cookpack. Yung short lang na 117 pages, data yun. And New World. Yeah, most of that. And then some of the recommendations of the people.
So you finish everything? Like sa Saunders, yung 8th edition or 7th
No,
edition?
I finished the Thunders na latest. 8th ba yung latest?
Yes, 8.
So that's 8th edition. I finished all of that, cover to cover. Half of La Charity. And then pharmacology section ng Remar. Pharma lang talaga kasi on my way to traveling na the day before the exam, tinry kong binasa yung Remar pero parang ay pagod na ako so pharma na lang. And then New World. I focused on New World in the last 2 months of the exam.
So you finish everything in New World?
I think I got 700 questions left and then did the assessment.
So may natira pa rin pala.
Yung Saunders lang yung na-finish.
Okay. But that's really a good material kasi ang Saunders nalagay is concept eh. So, on your actual examination day, how do you find the NCLEX? Like, in your personal perspective?
My gosh. I was telling you before, diba, during, like, when we were emailing each other, it's really hard. It's totally different from UWorld. Like, totally different. Kasi nga, we've got questions that are really direct to the point, pero vague. Like, yung sinasabi nila na umbrella type questions, everything is priority. So, which one is the most priority? Which one are you gonna choose talaga? Ganyan. But, hindi ko na alam kung ano isasagot ko kasi tama yung lahat ng 4 na choices. So, doon ako na-stress na parang, oh my gosh, how am I gonna tackle or answer this question na ganito? Kasi nga ang hirap. So, yun, mahirap talaga siya for me.
So, like, if you're going to advise those who are still preparing for the exam, how should they prepare? Like, anong pwede lang gawin?
For me, if you're gonna take the exam sometime soon, try focusing, like have an extensive 1 month review talaga to know all of, like to review everything, to know your content, because if you know the basics, you will know how to answer the question. I mean, maybe because nasasabi mong hindi mo kayang i-answer ang question, kasi kinakabahan ka na, but alam mo talaga. So yun, know your content, and then have an extensive review for a month.
So that would be very helpful for them if alam nila ang concept. Kasi balik ta rin
Oo, balik. Yes.
ng NCLEX.
That's
Kung
true.
alam nila ang concept, talaga makukuha mo yun. So,
Kasi if you know the diagnosis, you know as to what's the treatment, alam mo kung paano yung i-intervene yung sakit, parang ganyan pa.
so have you experienced na na-reschedule ka, Ma'am Esther?
No. Ay, fortunately not. At least, that's good to know. Kasi baka na-pressure na ako ng bongga.
At least hindi ka pala naka-experience nung like how many times na ma-reschedule. Kasi currently, as of this time, like ang mga clients natin, like marami silang nare-reschedule. Marami mga best na nare-reschedule. So it adds a pressure on them. It adds stress on them while also preparing for the exam. At least, good thing, hindi mo yun na-experience, Ma'am Esther.
Oo. Hi, thank God. I was like praying to God, sana hindi na ma-reschedule kasi nakaka-stress kaya, nakakadagdag ng kaba.
So, how about your experience with IPASS Processing, Ma'am Esther? How do you find the application process?
Gosh, it's really 100% hassle-free talaga, Ma'am Rachel. From you to Miss Joris to the chat support na IPASS people, sina Ma'am Isabel, sino pa yung iba? Hindi ko na maalala yung iba kasi si Ma'am Isabel yung parating nakaka-chat ko. It's just so efficient and it's worth a try talaga. I'm not regretting to have chosen you kasi nga you did everything and then you're very efficient in like answering my queries kahit ang kulit ko na. Kasi nga I think ang kulit more of the kaba. Kaya parang gusto mo ma-answer agad yung questions na gusto mong itanong. But you really did a great part in answering all those and in processing my papers, especially me. Because you're from just a branch from Davao and Manila, di ba, ma'am?
Cebu,
Tama
we
ba?
also have.
And Cebu. But during that time, kailan nagsimula yung Cebu nyo, ma'am?
I think February.
So that's really the starting nung time na nag-i-inquire ako. So, kasi Cebu yung school ko. So, yung PRC and all that, parang, ay, sobrang dali. Hindi na ako nahihirapan na mag-communicate with someone na, uy, paki-process naman to kasi you've got it all in one go ba? Na parang one-stop shop. If you need this, you got it. Parang ganyan. So, I'm really thankful for all your help. Kasi kung 100% yung stress ko, naging 50 na lang.
Thank you. Very happy to know that, Ma'am Esther. It was really like a fulfillment on us as well na natutulungan namin yung others kasi nahihirapan sila on how they're going to process the things. And also, hindi na nila inaabala yung mga like parents or relatives nila. So they can just focus on the review as well.
True, that just makes a huge difference ba and a big impact for us test takers. Kasi nga, nawawala yung stress, nawawala yung kaba, and then it's not just processing of papers ha, you've got psychological interviews din and pumustahan. Kasi na-try ko din yan, so parang yung tipong, Sir Neil ata yun, yung nakausap ko na he was like saying, if you want lang naman, but then I was like telling him, no, I need to, because I need to, no one will fully understand the stress that we have during that time, kundi kayo lang. Kasi nga, like me, I didn't tell anyone except some of my friends, closest lang, or my fiancé, na magte-take ako ng exam kasi nga nakakahiya kung hindi ako papasa. So I was not telling anyone. So when Sir Neil approached me and messaged me, oh, can we have a Zoom? Chika lang para ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, oh, I need that one just to tackle as to what I need to have or what I need to prepare, not just physically or mentally, pati emotionally, covered na lahat. So yun, thank you talaga, Astin.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Also, like, we are really treating clients, like, ang approach naman is holistic approach. Kasi I, for one, I am a nurse, so I truly understand na during the examination, like, ang stress, ang kaba, andun na lahat, yung anxiety mo, hindi mo maitsura kung
Oo, totoo yan.
That's why we made a program like that. So, thank you very much na na-appreciate mo, Ma'am Esther. So, moving forward, ano na yung plans mo?
So, I think I'm just gonna stay in the UK for a wee while kasi nga, I'm still enjoying it here. But, in case I need to go, then I'm ready kasi nga, may NCLEX na ako. But, I'm not gonna close my doors for some more opportunities that will arise kasi nga, hindi natin alam yung panahon, especially pandemic ngayon. Baka biglang mag-down yung economy. So, at least ready na. I think I would love to go to the US sometime soon to try and visit, see if I will like it as well.
Totoo, right. Like for a month probably or on your vacation. So at least makita
Mhm.
mo kung which one do you prefer. Saan mas pili mo? UK ba or US ba?
Mm-mm.
So,
True. At least there's a comparison na ba? Because I've been here. This is my first abroad experience kasi. So, at
mhm.
least my comparison.
Yeah. So, good luck sa endeavors mo, Ma'am Esther, and thank you very much for
Uh,
interview you. It was really a pleasure for us that we were able to become part of your successful journey, Ma'am Esther. So, salamat
thank
and
you din po.
congrats, and good luck sa duty mo, Ma'am Esther. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you din po. As in, super.
Salamat,
Thank
Ma'am.
you.
Bye-bye po.
Bye.